In this video, terms related to circle were defined with examples. What is a circle? It is a set of all points on a plane that are equidistant to a fixed point called the center. A circle is named after its center. The center is point A, therefore, the name of this circle is Circle A. There are three sets of points of a circle. The first set is called exterior points. In this figure, the exterior points are B and C. Next set are the interior points. These are set of points inside the circle. In this example, the interior points are D, E, and F. The other points or set of points of a circle are the points on the circle. These are set of points on the circle. In the figure, the points on the circle are point H and I. Next term is radius. Plural form of radius is radii. It is a segment whose endpoints are the center and a point on the circle. It is the distance from the center to a point on the circle. It is named using its two endpoints. So in the figure, the distinct radii or radius is segment AD. In reading or writing the name of a radius, it should be started with the center. The next radius in this figure is segment AB, and the other one is segment AC. Next term is a chord. It is a line segment whose endpoints are on the circle. It is named using its two endpoints. In the figure, the chord is segment CD or segment DC. The other one is segment AE or segment EA. What is a diameter? It is a special chord because it passes through the center. In this figure, the diameter is segment AB or BA. It is the longest chord. Its length is twice as long as a radius. What is a tangent? It is a line or a part of a line that intersect the circle at exactly one point. In this figure, let us identify the tangent. The first one is line LM or line ML. The point of tangency is a point where a line or a part of a line and a circle intersect. In this case, the point of intersection of this tangent and circle S is point L. The other tangent is ray PQ. The point of tangency or the point of intersection between tangent PQ or ray PQ and circle S is at point Q. The other tangent in this figure is segment TN or NT. The point of tangency is at point N. Next is secant. It is a line or a part of a line that intersect the circle at exactly 2 points. In this figure, let us identify the secant. The first one is line XY or line YX. The point of intersection of circle S and secant line XY or YX is point X and Y. The other secant is a ray UV. Point of intersection are point U and V. And the other secant is segment RT or segment TR. The points of intersection are at R and T. Next, arc. It is any portion of the circumference of a circle bounded by two distinct points on the circle. Okay. If there is a central angle, it divides the circumference into two types of an arc, a big and a small arc. Okay. There are three types of an arc depending on the degree measure. By the way, the unit of measure that we are going to use in the measure of the arc or the angles of a circle is degree. The first type of arc is the minor arc. In this figure, the small arc is the minor arc. It is an arc that subtends an angle of less than 180 degrees. the whole revolution or one rotation is equal to 360 degrees. Let's continue. The minor arc measures less than half the degree measure of a circle, which is the degree measure of a circle, which was mentioned, that is equivalent to one revolution or one rotation, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now, how do we name a minor arc? So it is represented on the circle by 2 points. So the small arc here is the minor arc, and its name is arc GM or arc MG. Next type of an arc is the semicircle. It is an arc that subtends an angle of exactly 180 degrees. As mentioned, one rotation or the measure of a whole circle is 360 degrees. Therefore, a semicircle is half of a circle. A very good example of an object that represent a semicircle is the protractor. Therefore, there are two semicircles in a circle, so which is equivalent to two protractors. Now, how to name a semicircle? It is represented on the circle by 3 points. In this example, the semicircles are arc FYT or arc TIF. I here is on the circle. Same with A. The other semicircle is arc FAT or arc TAF. Always remember that in naming a semicircle, you have to use the 3 points on the circle. Another thing to determine that an arc is a semicircle is by the diameter of the circle. Major arc. It is an arc that subtends an angle of more than 180 degrees. In this figure, the angle that is more than 180 degrees is angle ABC, which is a reflex angle. Therefore, the arc that subtends that angle is a major arc. How do we name a major arc? It is represented by 3 points on a circle. So if this angle is greater than 180 degrees, the arc that subtends it is major arc or arc ADC or arc CDA. Make sure that in naming a major arc or a semicircle, you should follow the arrangement of the letter or the point on the circle. Circumference of a circle. It is the perimeter or distance around a circle. It is the full arc of the circle itself. The formula is circumference, which is denoted by C, or capital letter C rather, equals 2 pi r or pi d, where r is the radius or the length of the radius, d stands for the length of the diameter, and of course pi is approximately 3.1415 and so on. Okay, next is the central angle. It is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. In this figure, the vertex is B. A central angle sides are two radii of the same circle. The two sides of this central angle are segment BA and segment BC. How do we name a central angle? In this figure, the name of the central angle is angle ABC or angle CBA. In using three letters in naming an angle or in central angle, the vertex should be at the middle. Now, what is an intercepted arc? It is part of the circumference intercepted by the central angle. In this example, the intercepted arc by the central angle ABC is arc AC or CA. Here is a diagram that shows three different types of arcs and central angles. On the left side, the minor arc is arc BC or CB, and the major arc is arc BJC or arc CJB. On the middle figure, circle E, segment DF or segment FD is a diameter. Therefore, it divides the circle into two semicircles. The name of the first semicircle is arc DKF or arc FKD, and the other semicircle is arc DLF or arc FLD. On the third figure, the yellow arc is a major arc. Its name is arc GMH or arc HMG. And the small arc, which is the minor arc, is arc GH or arc HG. The table below describes minor arc, semicircle, and major arc and their corresponding central angles. If it is a minor arc, it's an acute angle. If it is a semicircle, it is a straight angle. And if it is a major arc, it is a reflex angle. Next is the inscribed angle. It is an angle whose vertex is on the point on the circle. In this figure, the vertex of the angle MET is point E, which is on the circle. Therefore, angle MET is an inscribed angle. Another description of an inscribed angle is its two sides are the chords of the same circle, which is, in this example, the sides are segment ME or EM and segment TE or segment ET, which are chords of the same circle. Intercepted arc. It is a part of the circumference intercepted by the inscribed angle. In inscribed angle MET, the arc that intercepted by this angle is arc MT or TM.